In today's video, I am going to teach you how to plan your Instagram feed using Canva. We're going to map out a clean, cohesive grid and then schedule your posts so you always know what's coming next. Start inside Canva and search for Instagram Feed Planner or Grid Planner. You'll see ready-made layouts for 3x3 and 3x4 grams grids. These are great because each tile represents a future post, so you can quickly visualize how your feed will look as a whole. Pick a style that fits your vibe: minimal, bold, or anything in between. And open it. If you prefer to build it yourself, create a custom design. For a classic 3x3 seconds square grid, set the size to 3240 by 3240 pixels. That gives you 9 tiles at 1080 by 1080 each. If you want the newer portrait look in your feed, choose 3240 by 4050 pixels for a 3x4 grams grid that reflects the 4:5 ratio. Either way, this canvas is just a planning space, so you can see the big picture before you post. Upload your photos or graphics to Canva and drag them into the grid. Take a moment to move things around. Aim for balance, spread similar colors, textures, or subjects, so they don't clump together. Try alternating busy images with simpler ones to give the eye a rest. If your brand has specific colors or fonts, weave them in consistently for a polished look. Zoom out periodically to check the overall harmony. And don't be afraid to swap tiles until it feels right. Small tweaks, like aligning horizons or keeping faces pointed toward the center, can make your feed feel intentional. Once your design is complete and you are happy with the flow, return to the Canva home page. From there, open the Content Planner. This is where you'll turn your visual plan into a posting schedule. Click the plus icon to add a new post. If you haven't already, link your Instagram business account to Canva. It needs to be connected to a Facebook page, so make sure that link is set up. If you don't see your account, double-check the connection and try again. Now, pick a date on the calendar. Select the design you want to publish. Add your caption with relevant hashtags and choose the posting time. Consider your audience's time zone and when they're most active. Save or schedule it. And repeat for the rest of your planned posts, so your feed rolls out exactly as you envisioned. And that's it. Thanks for watching.